Are you tired of budgeting systems that feel restrictive and boring? What if I told you there's a smarter way to manage your money, one that focuses on growing your wealth instead of just cutting back? In this video, I'll show you practical and powerful budgeting hacks that can help you build a sustainable path to financial freedom. Let's transform your budget into a tool for wealth creation. Welcome to SmartCoinChronicles, your go-to channel for mastering your finances and building a brighter future. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for actionable financial tips and strategies. Today, we're diving into budgeting hacks that are designed not just to help you save, but to grow your wealth. Traditional budgeting often feels like a diet, restrictive and hard to maintain. But with the right strategies, your budget can become a powerful tool for achieving your financial goals. Let's get started. The problem with traditional budgeting. First, let's address the elephant in the room. Traditional budgeting doesn't work for everyone. It focuses on restriction, not growth. Most budgets are about cutting back and limiting your spending, but constantly saying no to yourself can be exhausting and demotivating. It doesn't account for future goals. Traditional budgets often focus on the present, how much you earn and spend now, but fail to factor in long-term financial goals like investments, retirement, or building wealth. It can be demotivating when you're only thinking about what you can't have. It's easy to lose motivation. That's why we need a better approach, unlocking your financial potential. Here's the good news. You can reframe budgeting as a tool for wealth creation. Shift your mindset, stop thinking of your money as something to spend. Start seeing it as something to invest. Every dollar you save is a dollar that can grow through compounding. Understand the power of compounding. Compounding is when your money starts earning money. For example, saving just $200 a month and investing it at an average return of 8% could grow to over $120,000 in 20 years. Set clear financial goals. Decide what you're working towards, whether it's financial freedom, buying a house, or retiring early. Having clear goals makes it easier to stay disciplined. Strategic spending strategies. Now, let's talk about smarter ways to manage your spending. Prioritize needs vs wants. Before making any purchase, ask yourself, is this a need or a want? Focus on spending money where it truly matters. Identify unnecessary expenses. Track your spending for a month. You'll likely find subscriptions you don't use or impulse buys you could avoid. Cutting these can free up money for wealth building. Negotiate for better deals. From your phone plan to insurance, many expenses are negotiable. Take the time to ask for discounts or shop around for better rates. Investing your savings wisely. Saving is great, but investing is where the magic happens. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your money in one place. Spread it across stocks, real estate, mutual funds, and even alternative assets like crypto. Understand risk tolerance. Know your comfort level with risk. If you're young, you can afford to take more risks. If you're closer to retirement, focus on safer options. Use automated saving tools. Apps like Acorns or Robinhood can help you save and invest automatically, taking the guesswork out of the process. Building a sustainable future to create long-term wealth. Consistency is key. Create a consistent budget. Stick to a budgeting method that works for you. The 50-30-20 rule, where 50% goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings, is a great starting point. Monitor progress and make adjustments. Check in on your budget regularly. Life changes, and your budget should adapt. Review and refine your strategy. Every few months, take a step back to see what's working and what isn't. This will ensure you stay on track towards your goals. There you have it, budgeting hacks that don't just help you save, but actually grow your wealth. Which of these strategies will you start using today? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to SmartCoinChronicles for more tips on mastering your finances. Let's make 2025 the year we take control of our money and build a brighter future.